Hello my dear students, today we will start with the next topic of letter writing, correspondence with bank. So here the secretary will going to write letters to the bank manager. First letter we will see the letter for opening a current account with the bank. So dear students, what is current account? Basically current account is opened by businessman, firm or companies. Then here there is no limitations on withdrawals. Then number 3 point, interest is not paid on this account. And fourth is the person who is having a current account will get overdraft facility. So dear students, let's start with the letter. You can see here we will going to write the name of the company in bold letters, then the address, then on the left hand side you will write phone number, fax, then website, email, then reference number. Below that you will going to write the address of the bank, right? Obviously here we are writing letter to the bank manager, so the bank manager, the name of the bank, the address of the bank, then the subject is the letter is regarding opening of a current account, so opening of a current account. Then dear students, you can see this is a request you to open a current account in the name of our company, that is Platinum Company Limited. That means company wants to open a current account, right? So here the board of directors of the company has passed a resolution to this effect in their meeting held on 27th May. That means the board meeting is conducted on 27th May 2018, and there they had passed a resolution to open a bank account. So obviously you can see the difference between the dates. Above is 5th June and 27th May. That means first the meeting is conducted, afterwards the letter is written by the secretary. Then here you can see the following document is enclosed with the letter. First is current account opening form, duly filled, signed and dated. That means we have to fill a form. The number 2 point you can see certified copy of certificate of incorporation. That means secretary has to submit incorporation certificate. Then afterwards memorandum and articles of association. That means this has to be submitted. Then afterwards list of present directors, then specimen signatures, then copy of board resolution and fees of rupees 3,000 along with copies of PAN and 10 card. Then obviously thanking you. On the right hand side you will write the complimentary clause, yours faithfully, company name, signature and sign off, director and enclosure. As you can see above, there are 8 number of documents that is sent along with the letter. So again you will not going to write the 8 points, you will directly write as above. That means these all documents have to be submitted along with the letter. Clear students? So this was a letter regarding opening of a current account. Here the company is opening a current account with Bank of Maharashtra. Clear students? That's all. Thank you.